Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm an attorney in Middle Tennessee, and I do family and child custody law. And one of the things that comes up frequently when I'm doing a case where we have parents who are looking for a custody order, parenting plan to be put into place, is to whether or not a guardian ad litem is appropriate in those circumstances. And the answer to that is it depends. There's a lot of factors that are taken into consideration as to whether or not a guardian ad litem would be put into place. So a guardian ad litem is somebody who is a lawyer who advocates for the child or what's in the child's best interest. You typically hear about a guardian ad litem in a dependency and neglect case because the statute requires that when there is a dependency and neglect petition filed that a guardian ad litem gets appointed. In custody cases, it's a little bit of a different scenario, and it depends on whether or not you have a guardian ad litem participating in those hearings. So if there's a custody case that's going on, the court can appoint a guardian ad litem, but the difference is in those cases, typically the guardian ad litem's fees would be paid for by one or both of the parties. So in a case where there's a dependency and neglect, the state would oftentimes pay for the guardian ad litem to be appointed. But in a private custody matter, usually the parents are going to have to pay for that additional attorney or guardian ad litem to advocate and participate in the court hearing. Obviously, there are advantages and disadvantages to having a guardian ad litem participate. It's an extra fee, it's an extra cost for the parents to have to pay another lawyer to participate. But the benefits are is that the child has someone who advocates for just their best interest, for what is in the best interest of the child. And sometimes that perspective is lost in custodial cases. But also keep in mind when you have a guardian ad litem participating, it doesn't mean that the court is going to do what the guardian ad litem would recommend in a case. It's just another thing that the court looks at in order to make a determination as to who should have custody and what the custodial time looks like. If a guardian ad litem is something you think you might need in one of your cases, I would definitely talk to your attorney about it because, again, there are pros and cons, and you can go through with your attorney based on your case and your facts and specifically your child as to whether or not it would be an advantage or it would be a benefit for you to have a guardian ad litem appointed to you. Follow me for more information on child custody law in Tennessee.